Okay, so now it's time to have a look at the Q Acoustics Concept 300 stand mounting speakers. This is a pair of stereo speakers that somehow comes in 3 boxes, and for once, the box that doesn't have the speakers in it is almost as interesting as the boxes that do. So we're going to start here first. This box contains the Concept 300 Tensegrity stands. They are actually, and I mean it, fascinating. So let's get it open and have a look. There it is. That's a Concept 300 Tensegrity stand. It's lovely, isn't it? Tensegrity is an engineering principle that is based on tension, which is the cables, and compression, which is the tubes. The way the structure is arranged means that none of it is under any load force, and it means also that it dissipates vibration, which is perfect for a loudspeaker to perform to its best when it's standing on top of there. The fact that it looks like a bit of mid-century super futurism is just a happy coincidence. So every worthwhile box has a box of bits inside it, and this is the box of bits for the Concept 300 stands. There's an owner's manual, obviously. There is a pair of top plates, which I'll be sticking on that stand in a moment. Various floor spikes, only 3 per stand, of course, because it's a lovely self-supporting tripod. Some rubber boots to put over the spikes if your floors are expensive and posh, and the screws to hold it all together. So let's put one together and see what it looks like when it's ready to accept a speaker. And that's the Concept 300 stand ready to receive a Concept 300 loudspeaker, which I'll be attaching in just a moment. Obviously, you'd want to do 2 of those for a pair of stereo speakers, but I haven't got all day here, so we're just going to put 1 on because the principle is much the same. Right, so speaker and desk, please. Excellent. Oh, you can tell it's a serious speaker when it's all strapped in with Velcro. That is the bottom of the Concept 300. And you know, uniquely among loudspeakers, it's worth discussing the bass of this speaker almost as much as it's worth discussing the rest of it. As you know, vibration is the kryptonite of loudspeakers. That's why the Tensegrity stand is arranged this way, because it diffuses vibration. And the bottom of the Q Acoustics Concept 300 has a sprung plate here. There's 4 chunky springs in each corner, and basically the entire mass of the speaker is suspended on this plate. The plate bolts to the top of the stand, and so with the lack of vibration coming through the floor to the stand, the lack of vibration from the speaker reaching the stand, the speaker is, to all intents and purposes, isolated and floating. Right, so all that's required now is to bolt the stand to the speaker. I'm going to leave the speaker in its bag because there are 7 layers of lacquer on each of these cabinets, and I don't want to be damaging them before I've even started. And there we are, that's a Concept 300 on its Tensegrity stand, and as you can see, it's handsome and genuinely unique looking. This is the black and rosewood dual finish that is so beloved of Q Acoustics. White and oak and silver and ebony are also available, but in any respect, it's a striking looking and handsome loudspeaker. At the front here, there's a 25mm soft dome tweeter with a wave dispersion guide, and that sits above a 165mm mid bass driver. Around the back, there are some chunky old binding posts for by-wire speaker cable. There is a reflex port which can be bunged or unbunged according to your preferences as regards low frequency activity, and also where you're going to be positioning them in the room. And there is also a degree of customization available via this thing. You can put this bridge in here, and that gives you the sort of standard Q Acoustics tuned high frequency response. But if the position in the room and your audio tastes prefer, putting them here can enhance the high frequency response of these speakers. So there's a degree of customization available to you there. So that's Concept 300. It's one of Q Acoustics' most aspirational and consequently most expensive loudspeakers, but it's specified to match. It has the triple wall construction, the point-to-point bracing that Q Acoustics is so keen on, and a load of other technological highlights that you can check out at Q Acoustics' own website. But what the important thing for you to take away from this video is that the Concept 300 looks and sounds like no other loudspeaker.